looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? What you looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? What you looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? 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 What you looking at?
Shit shut down, start, I come alive when the sun's down. The night's mine, fuck I come down. I started with the dragon stout, but I'm down in rum now. Trying to sorrow that I don't have. The same reason Charlie Sheen went to rehab. If I fall off or have a relapse, I put my heart in music to bring the beat back. The scene's healthy, why am I sick? Billy Crystal couldn't analyse this. I mean I spit crack, every single line I spit. You can clean up after and sell 5 bricks. Then I'm in class on for yard man shit. If me say a little bit to Timmy can't pass it. Oh you mean need a DJ? Car led, we the best, hands down nigga, R+6.
Got a landmine, so I gotta bang mine. Quick time, bang on the iTunes. Don't like grime, then don't come my room. And I'm on one, in one, at one. Pop it when I pull it, no bullet. Cat gun, big shots, got a back one. Have a word with a bird, want that one. Rain come shine, girls gonna come mine. Come so nice that they gonna come twice. Gonna draw, but I ain't gotta draw, no reason for doubt. Got cheese in the house, knees in the couch and the heads on the floor. Raw 1-4 when they head for the door. I'm so green, so fresh, so clean. Take back more oars than the cats on tour.
Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? What you looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? What you looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? What you looking at? Ain't got time for your game or the shit that you say. What you looking at? 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 What you looking at?
Se gleda prvi, Marino Kritić prati prvi dio jako dobro, jedan i drugi jako malo distanca. Ovo bolestno igrano su Danjeva Greška, nikakvih se grešaka, savršeno pozivam i jedan i drugi. Ovo vas pozdravite, koji su najboljika, Croatian Drift Challenge-a, runde 2. Vrgut, Marino Kritića i Gregor Sedlar.